Hello guys, this is Charles from Hortitechno, and here we are doing a unit of a wooden greenhouse which is 32 meters by 24 meters. What we want to plant here is a tomato, and already we've taken the soil to the lab. Now we're continuing with the construction. After construction, we get the soil from the lab and then we start planting. Our crop of choice here is capsicum, tomato. The soil is generally black cotton soil, and we are somewhere here in Nairobi, though the outskirts around Kamulu area. So let me show you more about this greenhouse. As Hortitechno, we do greenhouse construction, quality greenhouse construction, and we do it in Kenya, East and Central Africa. Our greenhouse, generally they are high, and we can customize them according to any requirement from the client. If you need a smaller unit, we can give you that. You need a bigger unit, we can give you that, depending on your budget and your pocket size. Hortitechno has been in existence for quite some time now, around 10 years, and we've been doing the greenhouse construction, open drip irrigation installation, and we also do dam liner for water harvesting. We also do agronomic support, soil testing. We also supply greenhouse material like the polythene, the insect net. We also do consultancy work. We do dam lining. We do quite more on the outdoor agriculture, also indoor agriculture pertaining the greenhouse. So if you need anything from Hortitechno, you can contact us on 0723 053 026, or when you're in Kenya, if you are outside Kenya, the code is +254 723 053 026, or you can visit us on www.hortitechnogreenhouses.com or www.greenhouse.ke. We are situated in Utawala, Nairobi, and also in Kakamega, opposite Buhungu Stadium, next to Lexo petrol station. Our team work all over the country. We do projects from Mombasa up to Kakuma, up to Bungoma, Kisumu, and we have our team spread across the country. So anything you need from Hortitechno, you'll get it. For material delivery, we do quick delivery across. So somebody might want to know more about greenhouse, how it's operates. That one I'll speak in the next segment about the benefit of greenhouses.